Welcome back to the boringest channel on YouTube. Today I'm making pork steak. See that olive oil over there? I already put it in the pan. Just gonna use a knife. Well, that's not working very well. Just gonna use a knife. Meijer had these on sale. That's 2 steaks for $3.15. That's not bad, especially in today's world. Let's get one out and take a look at it. These aren't thick sliced. Looks good. The other side looks good. I'm going to cook them one at a time. Alright, first of all, I'm going to take a little bit of this liquid smoke and put it on there. And liquid smoke isn't healthy. I don't care. You know what? This isn't a health foods channel. Next, here comes what we call Worcestershire sauce, but everybody has a different name for it because they can't pronounce it. Put a little bit of that on there. That's not healthy either, but I don't care. And finally, some McCormick Grill Mates. This is the Louisiana Cajun. Flavorful and fiery, it says. This is delicious. Let's season this side first. Later on, when we flip this, I'll season the other side. That ought to do it. Now, let it cook. It's just going to do this until it's time to flip it. And then I'll flip it and it'll do this again until it's done. Not a lot to it. Extremely, extremely simple. Pork steak, fried in a pan. Or maybe we'll go fried pork steak, or I don't know. We'll call it something. I guess that'll be the thumbnail. Maybe we'll get creative with it. I don't know. This here is a splatter screen from Gorilla Grip. I really like it. I usually use this when I'm cooking bacon or, really anything that's open in a pan like this without a lid. Just flip it over and set it right on top of there, and away you go. That's simple. I'd say it's about time to flip it. For flipping, I'm using these fancy silicone coated KitchenAid tongs. I want to give the illusion that I'm rich. Oh, that's a nearly perfect sear on that side. Very nice. Time to give this side some seasoning here. And once again, it is the Louisiana Cajun seasoning right there. Turn the heat down just a little bit and cover it back up. Just flipped it again. Here's the other side. I'd say it's just about done. Well, look who we have here. Of course, there's food around. You can't have this. Okay, time to get it out of the pan. Yep, right there. Listen to that sizzling. This is perfectly done. Perfectly cooked. A little bit of sear, tiny bit of blackening on it. Excellent. Time to cook the second one. Just gonna do the same thing. About time to give her a flip, I'd say. Oh yeah, perfect. Just a little bit of a sear right in this area. That's what you want. And once again, coming in with the Grill Mates Louisiana Cajun. And that's it. I'll let it cook. Alright. Time to flip it. Oh yeah. You want a little bit of blackening. That's just the bone. You're not going to eat that. You want just a little bit around the edges like that. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Man, that looks good. If you could smell what it smells like in here. Mmm. Delicious. Yeah, that blackening there is just the bone. That's not a big deal. This over here is just a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of the fat, a little crispness to it. You want these well done. These are pork. You don't want to get salmonella or some other kind of terrible foodborne illness. You want to cook these thoroughly. Now, prior to putting any kind of sauce on it, I always like to just taste a piece by itself. Oh wow. That's a good pork steak right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna go eat this because I'm hungry and this tastes delicious. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.